So you're thinking of moving to Lakewood Ranch? Hi, I'm Wendy Lynn with the Wendy Lynn Group, and we sell real estate here in Sarasota and Manatee County. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Palisades in Lakewood Ranch, and we're going to show you the neighborhood and all of the amenities from above. Homes at the Palisades range between 1,640 square feet to over 2,756 square feet of living space. Amenities at the Palisades include a fitness center, swimming pool with cabanas, as well as nature trails along the shore of a natural lake. Let's take a look at some of the drone footage we have for you. If you liked our video on the Palisades at Lakewood Ranch and would like to see more videos regarding Sarasota and Manatee County, please like, subscribe, and comment below. For the latest homes for sale, go to sunnysarasotahomes.com. I've included a link for the available Palisades real estate in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, if you need to sell or want to buy, just say when.